Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your personal email to your Hubspot account from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Hubspot account as an administrator. So as you can see, here's what the dashboard looks like. And the idea here is we would want to get access to the profile and preferences system or configuration for our account. And to do that, you guys would want to click on the top right corner of the screen and select the company name drop down menu. So it's this one right here. I'm going to click on this, and from here you'd want to click on profile and preferences. So when I click on this, it should take us to this page right here, where you'll be met with a couple of different tabs being profile, email, calling, calendar, tasks, and security. Now from here, you guys will want to select email, like so, and you'll see right away that there's an option to connect your personal email. So it reads, connect your personal email account to HubSpot to log, track, send, and receive emails in the HubSpot CRM. So this is to manage any team emails, and all you have to do is go to the inbox settings. And as added features go, there's sending and scheduling emails from HubSpot, so it can be newsletters or anything really. Log email replies to HubSpot automatically. See which people have responded to our email and have interacted or engaged with our newsletters. Suggest follow-up tasks and capture contact details from your email. So we're going to click on connect personal email like so, and click on connect your inbox, and then you would enter your email address right here and basically follow the on-screen instructions that it'll ask you to do. So I'm going to choose this, connect to Gmail, click and continue, and it should take you to this page right here where you basically want to authorize it to connect to your HubSpot account. So click and continue, click and allow. Now let's him integrate, and you guys should be done. Now any going ons or updates that go under that go on HubSpot will be redirected, or you'll be able to receive a notification about it on your personal email. And that's honestly all there is to it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.